Hi there. Today, I want to talk to you about a fantastic sensory play material that's great for toddlers, kinetic sand. Kinetic sand is a type of moldable sand that's perfect for little hands to explore and play with. Let's dive into why kinetic sand is so beneficial for a toddler's development. First, let's talk about sensory development. Sensory play is crucial for young children, as it helps them develop their senses and learn about the world around them. Kinetic sand provides a unique sensory experience for toddlers, as they can feel the soft, squishy texture and manipulate it with their hands. It's a great way to stimulate their sense of touch and promote sensory exploration. Playing with kinetic sand also encourages fine motor skills development. As toddlers shape and mold the sand, they use their fingers and hands to pinch, squeeze, and manipulate it. These actions help strengthen their hand muscles and promote fine motor skills, which are essential for tasks like writing, drawing, and self-care activities. Furthermore, playing with kinetic sand can foster creativity and imagination in toddlers. They can make different shapes, create imaginary worlds, and engage in open-ended play. Kinetic sand allows for endless possibilities, which can stimulate their creativity and imaginative thinking. Another benefit of kinetic sand is that it promotes cognitive development. Toddlers can learn about cause and effect as they experiment with different ways of manipulating the sand. They can also learn about basic concepts like volume, weight, and texture through hands-on exploration with the sand. In addition, playing with kinetic sand can support social and emotional development. Toddlers can engage in cooperative play, where they can share, take turns, and communicate with others while playing with the sand. This helps them develop social skills, such as sharing, turn-taking, and communication, which are essential for building positive relationships with others. Lastly, kinetic sand can also provide a calming and relaxing effect on toddlers. The soft texture and malleability of the sand can help soothe and calm anxious or overstimulated toddlers, promoting relaxation and emotional regulation. In conclusion, kinetic sand is an excellent sensory play material that offers a multitude of benefits for a toddler's development. From sensory exploration, fine motor skills development, creativity, cognitive development, social and emotional development, to relaxation, kinetic sand provides a wide range of developmental advantages. So, why not introduce kinetic sand into your toddler's playtime and watch them thrive in their exploration and creativity? I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching.